Hi, in this video, I want to show you how to create beta product feedback survey to send emails or generate documents. First, click extension and click Coffee Forms and load selected template like this. And after that, type beta product feedback survey and choose the form and click load selected template.
Then you will get the dashboard, responses, question and setting step to edit the letter, and then you can refresh the page like this and click Coffee Form and get link, and then click continue and then choose your account like this. And then just click advance and go to Coffee Form. You just need to follow the step by step like this. And just wait for a second and you will get a link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine like this. And now the form is ready to use. But you also can edit the question or even the appearance too in the Google spreadsheet like this. You can just follow the step, like I use text and name like this. It will show like this in the form. And then you can also use email, so the audience can put their email easily there like this. You can check it by refresh the page of the form. And then you can use another question type, for example phone number like this. And then don't forget to change the question too, and it will change instantly. It's very easy to use, but if you have any confusion, just comment down below. And then you can use text area too. This is usually for address because it has larger field than usual text like that. It will show like that. And then you can also change it into date, so it will show a calendar to pick the date like that. You can check it in the form, so the audience can pick their date easily from the calendar. And then you can also change it with radio button, for example. And for example here I use gender and just fill the option like male or female like that, so the audience can pick their gender easily there like this, for example. And then you can also change it into file, for example like that, and then go to your form just by clicking choose file like this, so the audience can upload their file there. And then you can also use e-signature because nowadays e-signature is very useful. And then you can check it in the form, so the audience can put their signature there. They can clear it too and repeat it. And then you can also use the HTML like this. So for example I use Google Maps here.
Artlist.io,
and just copy the link of the location. Then you can paste it in the rich HTML like this, so the location will be shown in the form like this, for example. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly like this. And then for the second one, go to settings tab to edit the appearance. Like first thing, I want to change my background color. You just need to pick the color that you want, like for example I choose purple like this. And then the second one, you can change the button text color too, like just scroll down to check it in the submit button like this. It will change instantly. And then the next one, I want to give an example to change the logo. You just need to copy the link and put it on the logo ID, and then like this you can refresh the form and it will update it instantly like that. It's very easy to use, but if you have any confusion again, you can comment down below. And then for the next one, I want to edit the text color. It's very easy to use. You just need to pick the color, and then here in the loading message you can add the word as you want, or you can even change the sentence too, like for example hold a minute or whatever you want. And then in the titles HTML, you can also edit it with htmlonline.com like this. In the htmlonline.com, then you can also add the style too, like for example I use center align and then bold, italic and underline, and just add the format like heading 1. You can also pick the color that you want, and then after you fix with your title, just copy the code of the HTML and then paste it into the text HTML like this. Then for the next one, I want to go to responses tab to see the result of the answer from the audience. Like for example here I go to keepgoogle.com and then just copy it and put it here like this, for example. Don't forget to change it first. And then now you can also use the question like this, and you can just follow the step. But if you have any confusion, just comment down below there, and it will show a thank you response like this. And you go back to the responses tab and it will show the answer there. And then for another example, here I changed the thank you response. For example, you want to add your own image, just copy the link of the image and then put it in the htmlonline.com, so it will be easier to get the code of HTML there. And you can resize it as you want, like for example, you can just adjust the picture. So you fix with it, just copy the code of the HTML and then put it on the box like this. Like you can change the image search and then just save it and refresh your page, so it will change like this. It's very easy to use, and the link to Aaron is in the description below. You can try it now. Thank you.